What's up, guys? Bobby's Backyard Auto Works, January 16th, 2020. Take off the front bumper, 2 fenders, the other headlight, and everything like that. Alright, so yeah, like I said, I'm going to take off the fender, bumper, headlight, and the other fender. Fender liner on that one. Take off the hood hinges on both sides and see what more damage, but I don't think there's any more damage than this right here, right in there. That's the only thing that folded, and that's nothing. So I'm gonna pull that out. I'm gonna take this bolt out and then pull on that right there, bolt the little plate on there and pull it. I'll see if I'll get that on camera. If not, take it to my homie's shop, but like, again, it is not that bad. So little pull, hammering, sand it down. Probably put you guys on time lapse while I take it apart. Alright, fender's off. Not bad. Look at that. Straight. Straight. The only bend, the tip. Just the tip. But yeah, not even bent that bad. I just gotta push it back up. And then on this one, unbolt that and twist that back up. Boom, done. And then here's the fold. As you can see, hey, nothing. Pull that out and be done. Bang it. There you go. The leg frame straight, not touched. The hit was right there. That's the brunt of it right there. So all it did was crack fiberglass, plastic, whatever you call these core supports, radiator supports now. Right there, see? All it is, crack. But once it cracks, insurance is not going to want to fix it. So yeah, keep going. Alright, as you can see, got the bumper off. Yeah, the headlight. I'm gonna take off the other fender later. And the only reason why I didn't see it like a dummy, the hood was covering it, is right there. I am not gonna fix that. So a little bit extra, so that's cool. So 2 fenders, a hood, headlight, front bumper, and that'll be all the outside parts. Now for the inside parts, this radiator support is pretty cheap. It's 90 bucks, 100 bucks with shipping. I got a price for the air tube. Air tube's not bad. It's 100 bucks at the dealer. And then the air box, that's what's killer, man. 286 bucks for the damn air box. But hey, gotta do it. And I have to get a hybrid one. I asked him, and he goes, yep, you have to get a hybrid one. So for me to find a hybrid one in the junkyard, good luck. I can find regular ones all day long. Hybrid ones, nope. But yeah, check it out. See? Straight. You got hit right here. Boom. So I'm gonna need actually the condenser is actually still good, but there is a problem with the AC. I checked the system and it has AC stop leak. So there was a problem even before it got hit. So luckily I can still use this one. This one is, I think, the inverter cooler. This is the condenser, and then the radiator. So I gotta get a radiator, condenser. Luckily I can use this one again, so that's cool. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I didn't film I took off the crash bar. Crash bar is perfect. So, let's check it out over here. So there's the crash bar. All the tabs are cool. Only one that I gotta just bend back. And it's right there. And it's really nothing. Check it out. That I gotta bend it back. Nothing. So yeah, so that's cool, man. So I can reuse the crash bar, that's no problem. As for the radiator support and the radiator and all that, nah, did not live. And electric fans. That's cheap too. Rock Auto, 118 bucks. So yeah, that's what she looks like. Looking good already. Yeah, quick fix. The only thing that's gonna take me a while is probably painting it. I gotta look for a paint booth. There's no way I can paint it in this garage. The smell goes into the to the house. All the other garages I've ever painted in, they were detached from the house, and this one's attached, so it sucks. All right, be back.